The year is 2020. The pandemic has just started, and you are sitting at your desk plotting out your next car build, the sweetest thing on the block. And before you know, you're looking for a shifter setup, and a couple dudes from Australia sitting in their warehouse come up with the most genius thing out there. The pump shift knob. I went to order it and it didn't exist. April Fools. Ha, losers. And before 2 years later, they do the same thing. It's legit. What is going on, guys? Today we got a brand new video. Today we're going to be doing the LIL LIL pump shift knob, shift stick thing in my Mazda 3. I've been running LIL O'Neill Diamond, the old one, since 2019 now. And fun fact, in 2020 when they did this little pump tease, which was an April Fool's joke at the time, I thought it was legit. I went to order it, it wasn't. Now it's 2022. I don't want to bring up any soft spots, but I don't know really what's going on with that anymore, if we are really doing the whole pandemic thing. And they actually released it. If you guys are watching this, you're a little late, but I stayed committed, and well, we're here. This is the old setup. Like I said, it's an O'Neill Diamond and an Amazon extension with LIL's shift boot retainer and a stitch boot. Shift boot, as you can see, is disgustingly old. That will get changed out soon enough, but we are going to be upgrading it. It was time for an upgrade anyway. I knew I wanted to go with LIL again. Their shit is expensive, but it's incredible. The unboxing experience is like buying an iPhone. Okay, so let's unbox this. We're gonna do this with dirty hands just to make the experience just so much better. Let's go ahead and let's get started. This right here, gentlemen, this is worth the price that you pay. Good memes, a good meme card. Ben and Jordan, those Australian guys over there, eh? This has got to be my favorite automotive brand. Just the designs and stuff. Friends don't let friends drive without mustard on their hot dog. Oh god, another one. Sanitize your hands, you... Oh, I love it. Look at this packaging. Scan for nudes. What's going on? This is a lot more extreme from my O'Neill unboxing. Here we have the new retainer. It has a name for it. I'm sorry, gentlemen. Too lazy to look it up. Let's just call it 2.0. Here we have a dog tag. This is what I'm most excited for. And then we have the Holy Grail, which is... Look how cool this is, man. Look at this boxing, and this is an iPhone, but it's a shift knob. It's not a shift knob, it's a hand sanitizer bottle. Let's see if I can unbox it just like iPhone. This is a piece of art. What did I do? Oh, this is badass. This is so cool. That is well done. Oh, okay, so it is secure. So one thing I was worrying about was that the bottle would shake, but they thought ahead of that and they made it a lockdown for the pump. So we're gonna go ahead and take all that off. It is just a little baby pump. Organic hand sanitizer. Monkey feces. Hepatitis. EPA. Got a nice pump too. Okay, so I do have an idea of what we're gonna fill this up with. It's not gonna be hot dog mustard or anything, but without further ado, let's go ahead and install this. Because like in the future, you know, because we're not sanitizing our hands anymore, if they did like add like an insert or something, and then you can screw it off and then have like this would be your shift knob with an insert, that'd be cool. But anyways, let's go ahead and oh, nice quick easy install. Let's go install this baddie. Get started by taking all of it off. Apparently it's all coming off as one piece. So here is their original shift boot retainer. Here's their new one. It's got a bit more of a shape. Oh, for sakes. It's got a bit more of a shape to it. It's just got the initials, but it does look very nice. Gone ahead and zapped the retainer to the boot. Just so you know, guys, you guys either gave me a defective zap strap, which we don't take lightly around here, or I just don't know how to use Australian zap straps. Oh, shit. Hell yeah. Everything's a different color, but it's okay. I need a new shift boot to match this color. We're not done yet, okay? We've installed this. We're gonna go test this baby out. I might just go stick the O'Neill into the Miata. Oh, I can't wait. Maybe I can put like hand wash in here for after I'm done like working on the cars. But this is like, thing is obviously you can't do that. Well, no, you can't. Nope, not happening. But like just kind of, but this is, okay, we need the finishing touch. Okay, so I've already bashed my hand off the top of this baby. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I like it. I like it already. If I just don't go for the top, it should be fine. Okay, we need to make our next destination stop because I gotta fill this baby up. So, let's do it. I'm about to whip up something real cool. There we have our mixture. Now, we put it in the bottle. What a mess. Completed bottle looks fantastic though. Now that we've completed our organic hand sanitizer, let's go ahead and put it back in the car. Here we go. Ooh, okay. That's pretty fire. Food coloring on my hand. There you guys have it. The Lil Pump shifter filled with the sparkly good stuff. Now it's not a complete color match and I really don't care. So please don't point it out. You guys won't even notice it when I Photoshop the photos to color match. Let's go get some beauty shots of this baby. So it shifts like you would expect it to. Nothing much said about that, but I do like it. I need to change the shift boot. I know it's miscolored. I might try and color the sanitizer just a bit better to match with this. Now that this is all done, I'm gonna have to color match the doors to the actual purple. I don't know what's purple. That's like violet, isn't it? That's like magenta or something. But I think this is really neat. I think this turned out really good. I'm gonna try and get more of a black kind of setup as I think there's too much color in this. Black and this color I think would be really nice. If you guys are wanting to race with this thing, I mean, I would maybe not get I literally, the day I installed this, went for a hard cruise up a mountain run, and I mean, needless to say, I did it, but this might get in your way. But what I found is actually holding it like this and putting your thumb up here kind of works. Obviously I have my armrest in the way, so if I go into second, kind of bounce off my chair in the armrest, but really it's not that bad. Worst case scenario, you can take the bottle out, screw this cap back on, and you do have a decent setup if you guys need to drive this thing hard. But the shift knob for you guys, best setup of 2022. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down below. Notice that YouTube's been putting my shit on recommended a lot lately, which is kind of funny because I've been doing this for so long. They finally like, oh, maybe we should give this guy some. Anyways, if you guys see me on the search results and you guys are watching this video, subscribe for more pump action shift knob stuff. Other than that, guys, thank you so much again. Keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.